Welcome to MGS's Innovation Center and Global Headquarters, home to our world-class automation team. I'm Karsten Black, Senior Project Manager at MGS. Automation brings consistency and efficiency to critical processes, enabling complex, high-volume healthcare products to reach patients faster. At MGS, we're experts in creating custom, high-performance automation solutions that include complex assembly, inline inspection, and packaging. We seamlessly integrate these capabilities into a single, high-efficiency process. By collaborating with our customers early, we bring automation experts into the process from the start. Working alongside the design and tooling teams, we help shape products with a clear focus on automated assembly. Automation accelerates and connects every stage of our end-to-end offering, from design and development to tooling and high-volume manufacturing.
I'm Craig Nisleit, Electrical Engineering Manager at MGS. By applying design for automation principles, we help our customers simplify and validate early product decisions. This is essential for improving manufacturability, reducing costly redesigns, and setting the stage for scalable, reliable production. Every solution is built to grow with you, from pilot to full production, without compromising performance, precision, or quality. Our in-house automation group is passionate about breaking into new areas of advanced medical device manufacturing. We push the limits of what's possible in healthcare automation. With a wide range of system platforms, MGS works closely with customers to identify the optimal solution for each application. Our teams combine deep expertise and inventive thinking to build custom automation systems that address today's toughest challenges. Every system is crafted from high-quality materials, built to be clean room ready and optimized for long-term reliability.
With MGS's industry-leading in-house control software, you gain intuitive operation, real-time data, and full process visibility. And with flexible support options, remote or on-site, we help maximize uptime and keep production running at peak performance. Our dedicated team transforms bold ideas into breakthrough solutions, working in close partnership with global pharma, diagnostic, and MedTech companies. Backed by our full-service contract development and manufacturing capabilities, we seamlessly integrate automation into scalable, high-quality systems built to support complex, precision healthcare programs. The result is a streamlined supply chain, faster speed to market, and lower operational risk. Together, we bridge the gap between imagination and realization for healthcare innovators.